I look? Wow. Oh. Wow. Good. That's a fabulous day. I know, I look a little ridiculous, but we're gonna rub this in. Hang on. Sometimes you will see Kenzie and Kevin, my dog and cat, on this channel too. Kenzie is we believe, Chihuahua Yorkie mix. We got her about almost 1 or 2 years ago. She's a sweetie. And I love her, but we just scared her, so I'm trying to comfort her. I feel so bad that we scared her. Yes, I feel so bad that we scared Kenzie Onesie. I didn't mean to. She's very confused because she has not seen my workspace yet. Kenzie here does not want to leave my arm. She is shaking. We played with one of Jade's flying pixie toys, and boy, did that scare Kenzie. Poor Kenzie is terrified. She's shaking in my arms right now. My poor precious. We did not mean to scare you. It scared me a little too, because I wasn't expecting it to fly like that. Yeah, no flying toys scare Kenzie. But don't worry, it's not flying anymore. It's going to be recharged. No. So my grandfather asked us to make him something for a friend. Does this thing certainly work, or was it a flop? It half worked and then half flopped. I can't really tell. Like, this one, like, almost made it. Like, thanks for almost making it. A friend of his, I guess, has like a Jaguar, so he wanted to give him this. But, like, the top turned into whatever this mess is. But I can ravage some pieces to show my grandfather, so he knows kind of like what happened with the first try. I actually really like this color though. This is a pretty color. My stepdad wants to see it because he wants to show Wayne. But the details were pretty cool. If it worked, we're gonna try it again, of course. But I actually really like this color. So, it's like a, I need to find another word that doesn't mean it worked or it failed. Hey Alexa, what's another word for it didn't work but it didn't, like, fail?
I don't know that one.
Okay, I'll ask someone else. Did this 3D project really work? Or was it a complete failure? So it's... Oh, hang on. Did this thing certainly work, or was it a flop? Flop. Total... I mean, the only thing that wasn't a complete flop was that. But look at this. Like, what? The minute you take it off, it just like my poor Forky, this weird turtle. Oh, just a mess.
4 a.m.
Okay. Things I also played with were Sailor Moon. And I don't have everything I played with me, but they're probably in storage somewhere. But I have Sailor Moon cards. Like, a lot of them. And I had Sailor Moon dolls and everything. But like I said, they're not here. I'm so old. I'm 27. I feel so ancient. It's a CD. So we will go one by one. Maybe if you want, I will do a whole thing on my CDs that I still have. Toys and more that I grew up playing with. We have here. I don't know if it still works. Jade got to it and got a little broken. But otherwise, it's in okay condition. This is a Nintendo DS. And I was obsessed with like flames and pretty goth stuff. Speed limit 165, no pass zone with the no crossed out. And if you're wondering how come this one has color, it is a Mario Special Edition one that I got. Oh, so this is Nintendo Dogs that was in here. Yep, Nintendo Dogs. And you could play other games. I had that one too, but I don't know where it is. So let's see what games we have. Kim Possible. Kimmy Unicorn. If I said it wrong, I'm sorry. High School Musical. Making the Cut. I was into a lot of different games. This is Harry Potter. Goblet of Fire. Let's see, we have here Nicktoons Attack of the Toy Bots. We also have Mystery Case Files. A Million Hair. Nickelodeon TAK. Major Mistake. Kung Fu Panda. Goosebumps. Horrorland. Apparently I really like Goosebumps because I've been playing Goosebumps. Ooh, Imagine Fashion Designer. And Super Mario Bros. It also has a charger. Another thing that I forget what this is. A car charger. And I still have the directions. Believe it or not. This thing is so old. Does the thing certainly work? Possibly work? Or is it a flop? It is. Certainly works. Whew. What would you like to see me do on this channel? More crafts, more drawing, more pets, more whatever. Because I like to do a lot. But y'all gotta kind of give me some ideas here. Okay, I'm just obsessed with this dress. This dress would look pretty cute on most people. And luckily, since I was gonna go with this pink dress, and then I asked my grandma, she's like, no, you'll look like a dead ghost. And I'll be like, okay, if I want to look like a ghost, buy pink. So I guess if I ever do a cosplay where I'm wearing like very pale pink, not like the pink I had got yesterday, which is like a darkish pink, but like a really light pink, you'll know why. You'll be like, you look like a ghost, and I'll be like, that's the point of this video, I'm doing comedy. But we're gonna do some fun things. I'm even gonna, this is old, but I figured I'm gonna show you some sales they have at Food Line, just for fun. You know, kind of like couponing, but not couponing. I don't know, like, I don't know what you want to call it, because I thought it would be fun. But at least when I go to Target, maybe I can get some stuff to do. Plus, I need to go get, like, an Easter basket for Jade. I have to look up what video games are. I guess I'll have to see what they have there. Because she plays some, and then she doesn't like some, and then she does. But I want to do Easter basket for her, so... Okay, what side is that? This side. Okay. It's one piece of hair that's driving me crazy. Good news is, yesterday I walked my dog. toys I played with at my great-grandmother's house. If I can even open the box. Really. Pretty sure these are toys. I could be wrong. Nope, I'm right. Stuff from her church that she would give the kids to play with. Books. Another book. Random stickers. Oh, this guy. Don't know if the pen is in here. Puzzle and fun. I did a lot of drawing as a kid, so... Oh, I bet this is from church too. No, these are cards. Wow. Random little pocket. Craft stuff. Okay, this is fun. Paid. Thank you. Barbie. A random pig. Do you still do anything? It moves, but it's really old, so I don't know if it still works. And Orange. I used to play a restaurant there. Chuck E. Cheese. Another Barbie cutout. I forget what you go to, but you go to a golf thing. I believe this was with those flying Barbie things. I think this is a hash brown. Oh, when you used to do the skateboard tricks with your fingers. A spin top. Another spin top. From Baby Dolls. Baby Dolls. Hairbrush. Most friendly. A wiener whistle? A random puffball. So random. Pictures, happy second birthday, so stuff like that is in here. Yeah, my drawings have gotten better over the years, but... Okay, so let's see. You have Chuck E. Cheese. Little Mermaid, who's my favorite Disney princess when I was a kid. Some dentist I probably went to. Baby stick. It's just a stick that says baby on it. I don't know how all this is gonna work without the... This thing is so old. This one has two of them. Ben and Jerry. Make them hairy. If it's not fun, why hairdo it? How to make Ben and Jerry hairy. I don't know where the red stick is. This thing is so old. From 1963 to 1994. Okay, I was born in 1994, so... Ben and Jerry moved to Vermont and take a $5 course by mail on how to make ice cream. Okay, we're gonna sit through whatever the heck this thing is on the back of Ben and Jerry. So let's see. Great memories in ice cream history. Start here. Ben Kahn and Jerry Greenfield meet in 7th grade gym class. 1977, Ben and Jerry move to Vermont and take a $5 course on how to make ice cream. The guy scoops their first cone at the gas station in something VT. 1978. 1983, Ben & Jerry builds the world's biggest sundae. 1984, our new ice cream factory opens in Waterbury. We give tours and free samples. 1986, a new flavor is born, cherry. Not really sure what that word is. 1988, introducing Rainforest Crunch ice cream. 1999, chocolate chip cookie dough is released and rocket to the top as our most popular flavor. Ben & Jerry factory tour becomes the most popular tourist. 1992, our first scoop shop opens in Russia. Smooth, no crunch. 1994, Ben & Jerry introduced creamy, new, smooth, no chunk flavor. Okay? How to make Ben & Jerry hairy. This is so weird. Cut off an end of the tube holding the magic wand and remove the wand. If the cut is done carefully, the tube can be used for wand storage. We had it, but we might have lost it. Like I said, this is actually really old. So bizarre how old it is. It could be in this box or somewhere else. Do not remove or open plastic cover over faces. Place point end of wand against, so you know how to do it, right? Like, some of the toys I played with at my great-grandmother's house. Did this thing certainly work, possibly work, or was it a flop? This piece was the back piece to my Star Wars keychain. This was supposed to be the Little Mermaid. Definitely a flop. You aren't usable except for the border. Sometimes I use these for other crafts. Or a Disney character. I forget what this was, but flop. Certainly worked. Flop. Flop. Possibly. Did this thing certainly work, possibly work, or was it a flop? It possibly worked. It's a flip-flop with a cute little, like, shoe design. I'm gonna put some string through this little loop and put it on my door to hang up. It's super cute. Now we're gonna, here, I'll show you what we're gonna do. Other than sneeze from my allergies. Sorry. Allergies. Let's see what else we have. We could do a Mother's Day gift. Or something else. I'm gonna do one of these to hang on my door. They're cool. First I'll do this Easter bunny for a friend of mine. And you're like, oh, Anchor's so basic. My great-grandfather, before he passed, he was in the Navy in World War II. So, this actually just means something special to me. Facebook. My Facebook. YouTube. Let's go back to normal you. And we got to exit off because today is Tuesday. You can also check out. Rewind. Hang on.